Hey guys, welcome back. Today I would like to share you how to install iOS 18 public beta for free. Apple recently released iOS 18 public beta, I think last night, and let me show you how to install it on your device free. This require iPhone 8, 8 Plus and later. Now let me remove the profile first and show you how to install it. To install iOS 18 public beta, you need to go into Safari. And then you're gonna go into this link which I already provided in my video description, and click that link, and then it will redirect you into here. Now you need to enter your Apple ID, email and password. Then after you provide the Apple ID, email and password and click on the arrow right, it's gonna direct you into this page. Then make sure you select on iOS, scroll down a bit, and you're gonna find this download button. Click on download profile. It may take like few seconds, and now click on allow, and after that we're gonna go back into setting. From setting, you need to look at the top. You're gonna find profile downloaded, select on it, click on install. If you have password on your iPhone, just enter it, and now that's it. Click on install one more time, and if it asks you to restart your device, there is no need to restart. Just tap on not now, click on done. Now go back into software update. You're gonna receive iOS 18 public beta just like that. For me it is about 5 GB. Depend on your phone. If you have like the latest iPhone 13 Pro Max, the file might be bigger, so make sure you have stable internet connection or Wi-Fi. And for me, I recommend you, if you want to install iOS 18 without any issues, without any problem, you need to make sure that you have the battery at least 50% and more, or you can plug in a charger into your phone. And now let me talk about some of the features that Apple has changed and improved. So I have the iPhone 8s Max right here. It is on iOS 18 developer beta 3 revised version. Apple also released iOS 18 beta 3 revised version 2 to match the bill number between the public and between the developer version. So now if I go into music right there, so when I like play some music, and if I go here, you can see I can just simply tap on this button. It's gonna bring me the artwork of the music itself. You can see it look very cool. Thanks for watching, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Then we'll see you guys in the next one.